You will need unsalted butter, 3 eggs, brown sugar, salt, flour, cocoa powder. Next, we will preheat the oven and turn it to 175. First step, you will need the bowl, 1 cup. Make sure it's correct, the amount. Make sure you have enough. You do have the right amount. Then a tiny bit of salt. Need a small bowl, melted butter, which will melt in a sack. Finally, get your melted butter and pour it into your making a brownie for no reason. A half of cup of sugar into the bowl and of vanilla extract. Hey, don't do that. Add the wet mixture to the dry mixture, like this. Next, mix thoroughly. Next, you grab a tray from your kitchen, get some baking paper. Then you place the baking paper into the tray. Just pour this in. You flatten it out if you want to. You open the oven. Might be hot, so stand back a bit. And you grab the tray and put it on in. Now I'm gonna go set the timer to 15 minutes. Can you hear it ticking? Now I'm gonna get a knife and a plate and cut the brownie up. Hi, Dad. Yummy. I do love it.